Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really cool little drone, the T6 drone in this bright yellow color. This one is marketed as being great for beginners and also an ideal gift for various occasions. And after checking out its features, it's easy to see why. Right off the bat, one of the standout features is its camera. It comes equipped with an HD camera, though the resolution is listed at 480p, which is perfect for getting started. It uses advanced FPV transmission technology, letting you see exactly what the drone sees in real time right on your phone via the app. You can capture videos and photos and share them instantly, which is pretty awesome for showing off your first flights. Flying this drone is designed to be super simple, especially for newcomers. It has one key takeoff and landing, so getting it up in the air and bringing it back down is just a press of a button. This makes those initial flights much less intimidating. Once you're comfortable, you can explore some more fun features. It can perform cool 360-degree flips in the air, which is always a crowd pleaser. Plus, for a drone at this level, it offers waypoint flight. You can actually draw a flight path on the app map, and the drone will follow that exact route automatically, which is a fantastic way to get creative with your shots or just have it explore an area hands-free. Now, looking at some of the more advanced features mentioned, it boasts 540-degree intelligent obstacle avoidance. This is a big deal for beginners, as it helps prevent crashes by sensing obstacles around it. It also includes gesture recognition, allowing you to control certain functions with simple hand movements and intelligent hovering, which helps keep the drone stable in the air, making it easier to control and get steady shots. Portability is another key aspect. This is a mini drone with a foldable design, meaning the arms tuck in, making it really compact. It even comes with a handy carrying case, so you can easily pack it up and take it with you anywhere, whether you're heading to the park or visiting family. It's designed for fun on the go. Powering the drone is a rechargeable lithium battery, providing a decent flight time for enjoying your sessions. It's great that a battery is included right in the box, so you're ready to fly after charging. As mentioned, it's positioned as a great gift idea for men, kids, teenagers, or anyone really for occasions like Halloween, Christmas, birthdays, or New Year. The combination of ease of use, fun features, and portability makes it a really appealing present. The seller also provides good support, offering 24-hour technical help, an 18-month quality guarantee, and a 30-day money-back policy, which adds peace of mind, especially if you're new to drones. They do note that wind can affect outdoor flight and recommend adjusting the speed to the third high setting in windy conditions to maintain control, which is a helpful tip for flying outdoors. Overall, the T6 drone seems like a solid choice for someone looking to get into flying drones without a steep learning curve. It packs in some impressive features for a beginner-friendly model, and the included case makes it super convenient to take along on adventures.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.